If you clicked on this video today, first of all, I am genuinely proud of you. Because honestly, teen Saloni would have never clicked on a video of getting fit or losing weight. At that age, I was not thinking about health, habits, or just taking care of myself. I was just trying to survive school, insecurities, comparison, stress eating, and constantly wondering why everyone around me looked fit while I never did. And maybe you can relate to this too. Maybe clicking on this video today was a bit uncomfortable. Maybe you also avoid mirrors like I did. Maybe you also feel insecure in your own clothes. Maybe you also compare yourself with other girls in your school or college. I did that all the time. When I was in school and then college, I always used to wonder, why am I the fat one? How are they so skinny? And what am I doing wrong? And what are they doing differently? This was all I used to think all the time. So before even talking about weight loss, I want to tell you something really important. Wanting to improve your health is not at all embarrassing. And the fact that you clicked on this video today, it itself is a brave move, because teenagers today, or even adults for that matter, are not thinking about their health as they should. Because one thing I've realized from my own weight loss journey is that the sooner you start, the better. It will be easier for you to stay fit in your 20s, 30s and 40s. And for this, you don't really have to become fitness obsessed at the age of 15. You have to just stay consistent with tiny habits that pay off later. For those who don't know me, I lost 21 kgs in 6 months without a gym, without starving myself, and without giving up on my normal Indian food. So in this video, I'm going to tell you everything I wish someone had told me earlier, so that things would have been a bit easier for me. No BS, no starvation, no unrealistic influencer advice. Just practical and sustainable guide that works for teenagers who are trying to stay fit or lose weight. First of all, let's clear something really important if you are a teenager. Most teenagers are not overweight or out of shape because they are lazy to exercise. Our environment today has literally made unhealthy habits really easy. Think about it. Most of you are spending your day sitting in your school, sitting in your tuition, studying for hours, scrolling through your phone, stress eating during exams, barely moving, and not sleeping well. And this is the age where you are most likely to get addicted to sugary drinks, coffee, processed food, packet food. Honestly, I relate to this the most because when I was in junior college, I remember मेरे college के सामने ही KFC, McDonald's था. So I used to eat it every single day. Yeah, every single day. Eating KFC and McDonald's had become a part of my daily life. My day would not end without consuming at least one thing from there. And this makes weight loss the toughest. Like when you are always surrounded by junk food, it is at easy access for you. Losing weight almost becomes impossible. So eventually I developed, and some of you might also have developed, habits such as stress eating, emotional eating, sugary drinks daily, fast food multiple times of the day. And let me tell you that nothing is wrong with you. Most teenagers go through this. But this thing ends right here. So after eating all the junk food and following all the unhealthy habits, you have gained all the weight, right? So what happens is we think that the only solution to lose weight is skipping breakfast, eating only salads, detox drinks, eating only 800 calories per day. I mean, that's the first instant. And then at the age where you are growing, your puberty is hitting, you end up getting hormonal imbalances, acne, hair fall, and later because of all of this, you start binge eating again. So this is not what we are going to do here. We are here to follow a sustainable plan that actually helps us lose weight and stay fit throughout our life. And especially as a teenage girl, fat dieting, extreme dieting is really dangerous for you because you are in your growing years and your hormones, energy levels, bones, metabolism, puberty, menstrual cycle, everything needs proper nutrition. Now let's understand how fat loss actually works, because it is really important for you to know before you start. Fat loss happens when your body burns more energy than you consume. That's it. And for this, you don't have to starve yourself. The smarter approach is eating balanced meals, moving your body daily, reducing mindless snacking, improving food quality, and staying consistent. And among all these, staying consistent is the most important thing you need to remember. And I want you to know something really important. Especially in your teen years, your weight loss will not be linear, because at this time you have just started getting your periods, your body is changing, you have school, you have a lot of things going on. So don't judge yourself based on scale. You don't have to punish yourself, you don't have to give your 100% all the time. 80% of being consistent and 20% of having a bit fun time for yourself is what's needed. Habit number 1, stop drinking your calories. This one honestly is the most important one if you are a teen, because a lot of teenagers teenagers consume hundreds of calories without even realizing. Cold coffee, milkshakes, mojitos, sodas, packaged juices, sugary drinks, whatnot. And the problem with this is that liquid calories don't make you feel full. Like even after consuming hundreds of calories in one go, you will still feel hungry. I am not saying you have to cut them off completely, but you have to make sure that you are reducing it. Instead, try chas, coconut water, lemonade, plain water, and coffee with little bit of sugar, not much. Small changes matter a lot and I wish I knew about this. Habit number 2, eat more protein. अभी प्रोटीन के बारे में सुन के भाग मत जाना because it's really easy to consume protein in your Indian household. You know the problem with our tiffins which we carry in our school and college is that उसमें protein नहीं होता है. I remember my mom giving me some like light snacks, sandwich and something which did not have any protein at all. And because of that, even after eating my tiffin, I always used to feel hungry. And then I used to go buy myself some snacks after school. So with the protein awareness spreading all around, we have to make sure we add protein in our meals. And no, you don't have to compulsorily consume protein powder. I would not recommend you that. Being a teen, Indian food does have plenty of protein, but we are just not aware about it much. Paneer, yogurt, milk, soya chunks, dal, rajma, chole, and sprouts. If you eat non-veg, eggs, chicken, and lean fish. Best. If you go to school or college, ask your parent to give you sprouts, lentils, paneer in your tiffin. Or you can just add protein to your regular meals like poha with eggs, roti sabzi with Greek yogurt, dal rice with some paneer, paneer sandwich, sprouts chaat. You do not need to have boring meals. Like you are just a teen, yeah, enjoy your life. Habit number 3, move your body more. Honestly, I think this is the biggest problem of today's teenagers. Movement has completely stopped. Like the way we used to play back then, maar khaiye mummy ki, I don't see that anymore. And that right there has become the biggest reason of obesity, weight gain, and all of the hormonal imbalances. I genuinely don't see much kids playing outside, cycling, running around, dancing, or playing sports. In my case, I used to play a lot. Like a lot. मतलब मैंने बहुत मार खाई है मम्मी की, but suddenly due to some reasons I stopped, like totally stopped. And उसके बाद my health was completely messed up. I got all the hormonal imbalances, my weight increased like crazy, I got social anxiety, मेरे friends कम हो गए, like all of the issues. Please, you don't do that. If you are also spending time scrolling on the internet, watching Netflix and sitting all the time in your room, gaming and studying all the time, don't do that. This is the precious decade of your life. Go out and move your body. You don't need to join a gym. Like you just have to make sure that दिन का 1 घंटा you are going out and playing or just going for a dance class, taekwondo, karate. बहुत चलता था यार पहले, अभी पता नहीं करते या नहीं लोग, but you can do this. Swimming, cricket, anything. Or if you don't want to join any class for this, you can just do it on your own. घर में नाच लो यार, घर में do some physical activity, work out, go out and cycle. I am telling you, staying physically active throughout the day really helps a lot in your adulthood. Because I know if you are a teen, you will genuinely enjoy this. So just go for it. So in a nutshell, 1 hour of daily movement. Habit number 4, all or nothing mindset. Genuinely, I suffered with this a lot when I started my weight loss. Like होता क्या था, you eat one chocolate or that one cheat meal and you'll feel like the entire day is ruined and your entire diet is ruined. So let's just restart from a Monday. No. That is not something you have to do. One unhealthy meal changes nothing. Real fat loss happens with consistency, not one meal. And you can still eat chocolate, snacks, chips, occasionally pizza, and still lose weight. The goal is to learn balance in your teenage, not perfection. In fact, I believe being too restrictive about your diet is what causes you to binge eat later. Especially during your periods, exam, due to all the stress, you end up binge eating. You end up emotional eating. So instead of banning your favorite foods, have them in moderation. Habit number 5, sleep properly. If you are a teenager, you are not much aware of the importance of sleep. And as you grow older, if you are at my age especially, you will realize why sleeping 7 to 9 hours a night is really important. What happens is if you sleep less, like 4 to 5 hours a night, it's why you will end up craving sugar, snacks, and you will not have much energy, so you won't move your body as much. And again, you are in your puberty, your menstrual cycle and all of that, everything is changing. Sleep is literally like a medicine for you. Try to sleep early. कल स्कूल जाना है, रात को जल्दी सो जाओ. I remember my own sleep cycle right now. Like मैं 9:30 बजे रात को सो जाती थी and I used to wake up at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. And I'm telling you, that was the best decision. Like I don't think उसके बाद मेरी sleep cycle कभी इतनी अच्छी हुई है. And also that doesn't mean मैंने पढ़ाई नहीं की. I was a topper in school. I scored 95% in boards. Now one of the most important parts of the video is how to actually eat for fat loss in your Indian household. One thing I hate about the internet is that it has convinced us that eating healthy and losing fat in our Indian household is literally impossible. But it is not. You don't need to make expensive smoothies, fancy salads, or have that Pinterest inspired food diets. You don't. You just need to balance out your plate and have everything in proportion. This is how your meal plate should look like. Half of your plate should be your vegetables, sabzi or salad, and then add 1/4 rice, roti, and then the remaining 1/4 part should be your protein source. And remember, rice is not evil, roti is not evil, potatoes are not evil. I wish I knew this back then. And stop fearing carbs. The main issue I think with Indian household is that we use a lot of oil. Like it is not even needed. So you can just ask your parents to use less oil because it is good for their health as well. And instead of snacking on chips, packaged foods, you can have makhana, roasted chana, fruits, sprouts, popcorn, or just yogurt. Again, it's not about perfection. I don't want you to torture yourself. You can sometimes have your junk food. Sometimes. This part of the video is really important. I want you to sit down and listen properly for this. Don't compare yourself with what you're seeing online. Even if the person is of your age, nothing you see online is real. Everything is filtered, posed, edited, and photographed in a way that it looks perfect. So don't believe that. As a teen going through puberty, it's normal for your body to change. And it's also normal for you to compare yourself with your peers. You don't do that because not everybody is the same. What you can do is to improve your lifestyle, follow everything I told in the video, and see changes happening for yourself. And being skinny doesn't mean the person is healthy. The sooner you realize to measure your progress in health with your energy, mood, stamina, good habits, and your healthy relationship with food, the easier it becomes for you to stay healthy throughout your life. And please don't worry about calories and all of that. It's really complicated. You don't need that right now. You can still go out with your friends, enjoy, have your junk food sometimes, have the birthday meals. Everything is fine. You are a teen, embrace that. Don't let everything consume your entire life. So if I can lose 21 kgs in 6 months as a teen, you can too. And you have all the information you need now. But please stop searching for the fastest method to lose weight, because the fastest method is the least sustainable. Instead, focus on moving more, eating more protein, reducing sugary drinks and packaged foods, sleeping better, eating home cooked meals, and staying consistent. If this video helped you, please subscribe to my channel because I make fat loss more realistic, especially for women. And don't forget to share this video with your bestie. Bye!